Welcome! Today we're making a delicious and refreshing pasta salad that's perfect for any occasion. It's packed with colorful vegetables, creamy feta cheese, and a zesty dressing that ties everything together. Whether you're serving it at a picnic, a family gathering, or just as a quick meal, this pasta salad is sure to impress. Let's dive into the ingredients and get started on this easy and tasty recipe. Alright, let's get started with the ingredients for our pasta salad. First, we've got 300 grams of pasta. Any short pasta will do. Next, we have 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, sliced in half for a burst of sweetness, and a refreshing cucumber, diced into bite-sized pieces. Don't forget half a red onion, finely chopped for a bit of sharpness, and half a cup of black olives, sliced up for that savory touch. We're also going to crumble half a cup of feta cheese for some creaminess, and chop a 1/4 cup each of fresh basil and parsley for freshness. Now for the dressing, we'll need a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 minced garlic clove. Finally, salt and pepper to taste. And that's it. We're ready to put everything together. Let's start by cooking the pasta. First, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Make sure the water is salty like the sea, as this will season the pasta nicely. Once the water's boiling, add your 300 grams of pasta. Stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking. Now cook it until it's al dente, which means it's firm but cooked through. Depending on the pasta type, this should take around 8 to 10 minutes. While the pasta cooks, we can start prepping the vegetables. While the pasta is boiling, let's prep the veggies. First, take 1 cup of cherry tomatoes and slice them in half. They'll add a sweet, juicy flavor to the salad. Next, grab your cucumber. Dice it into small bite-sized pieces. This adds a nice crunch. Now, finely chop half a red onion. It's sharp, so we don't need too much. Finally, slice up half a cup of black olives for that salty bite. Set these aside. They're ready to be tossed into the salad later. Now that the pasta's almost done and our veggies are prepped, let's make the dressing. In a small bowl, pour in a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. This will give the salad a nice rich base. Add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar for tanginess and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard to give it a bit of a bite. Finally, mince 1 garlic clove and add that to the bowl. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and whisk everything together until it's smooth. Taste it, you want a balance of flavors. Adjust the seasoning if needed. For a creamier dressing, you can add a spoonful of mayonnaise or Greek yogurt. With the pasta cooled and veggies prepped, we're ready to assemble. In a large mixing bowl, add the pasta, then toss in the cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and black olives. Crumble in half a cup of feta cheese. It'll melt slightly into the pasta, giving it a creamy texture. Now, pour over the dressing we made earlier and gently toss everything together. You want to make sure the dressing coats all the ingredients evenly. Don't worry if the feta starts to break down a bit. That just means more flavor in every bite. Finally, let's add our fresh herbs. Sprinkle in a 1/4 cup each of chopped basil and parsley. These will give the salad a fresh, vibrant taste. Gently fold them into the salad so they're evenly distributed. Now cover the salad and let it chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This resting time allows the flavors to meld together, making the salad even tastier. When you're ready to serve, give it one last toss and, if needed, drizzle a little extra olive oil on top. Lastly, let's talk about some tips to make your pasta salad even better. First, for the pasta shape, it's important to use short shapes like penne, fusilli, or farfalle. These hold up well in salads and have little nooks that catch the dressing, making every bite more flavorful. Now, if you want to make this salad more filling, consider adding some protein. Grilled chicken, shrimp, or even tuna are great options to turn the salad into a complete meal. Making ahead is also a fantastic idea. Pasta salad actually tastes better after sitting for a bit, as the flavors meld together. You can store it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days, making it perfect for meal prep or parties. If you're looking to switch things up, consider adding some veggie variations. Bell peppers, roasted zucchini, or sun-dried tomatoes bring in different flavors and textures. Finally, here's a dressing tip. After the salad chills in the fridge, it might soak up some of the dressing and feel a bit dry. Just add a little more olive oil or vinegar right before serving, and it'll be perfect. And that's it. These tips should help you make the best pasta salad every time. Enjoy your fresh, flavorful pasta salad.